Hello dear students, my name is Dr. Vishali Ghai and the name of this channel is Tricks by Chemistry Guru. So today in the series of quick revision class 9th motion, we'll discuss about three equations of motion and their graphical derivation. First is V is equals to U plus AT, where V is final speed and U is initial speed, A is acceleration and T is the time taken. S is equals to ut plus half at square. S is the distance travelled by the object, and third equation is v square minus u square is equals to 2as. So again S is the distance travelled. So u initial velocity, v final velocity, A acceleration, T time, and S is distance. So we'll discuss all these three equations of motion by the same graph, and this graph is the velocity time graph for an object with uniformly accelerated motion. The same graph we have discussed in the previous video to find the velocity, acceleration and the displacement. Acceleration can be calculated by the slope and displacement as the area enclosed in that graph. So now we'll discuss first of all the first equation, that is u is equals to v is equals to u plus at. So in this graph we see that an object starts from this A point, reaches to this B point with a uniform velocity. Okay, and this is the time traveled, time taken by this object. So if I consider the initial velocity, this is velocity and initially the object was at A, so this distance basically is the initial velocity. Let me write it as u. So what is this u is? This u is AO. AO is equals to u, and this AO is equals to GC also. So I can write AO is equals to u or GC is equals to u. Clear? Now if I go for final velocity, the final velocity means this reaches to this point, means this is the final velocity. So this velocity is final velocity. That means OD distance. Okay, so this OD is equals to BC also. So final velocity is OD is equals to V, which is also equal to BC. Clear? So now I can write this BC is equal to BG plus GC. Can I write this way? BC is equals to BG plus GC. So BC comes out to be BG plus GC. Okay. What is GC? GC I know it is U. And what is BC? BC is V. So I can write in terms of V and U. V is equals to BG plus GC is U. Clear? So BG will come here. BG is equals to V minus U. It will go there. So I can write this way. Now this BG is equals to V minus U. This is BG. Now we have discussed the formula of acceleration as A is equals to change in velocity divided by time taken. So change in velocity means final velocity minus initial velocity. That means DO minus AO. That comes out to be DA or BG. So D and BG is same. I can write change in velocity as BG because we have come to this point BG and we need to find in terms of this BG what is BG. So BG is equals to change in velocity final minus initial divided by time taken. So time taken by an object is OC or AG. One and the same thing, OC or AG. That means this is say T1 and this is say T2. So T2 minus T1, that is equal to OC or is equal to AG also. I can write it as AG. Or I can write this BG is equals to BG divided by OC also, one and the same thing. So BG upon OC, I can write it as BG is V minus U, final minus initial, divided by OC is T2 minus T1, that means time taken, whatever be the time taken. Okay. So since T is 0, so time taken is T, that difference. So I can write A is equals to V minus U divided by T. That means AT is equals to V minus U or V is equals to U plus AT. So this way, this is the first equation of motion that we have derived using this graphical method. Clear? So A is equals to V minus U by T, AT is equals to V minus U and V is equals to U plus AT. So this is the first equation of motion that we have derived from the graphical method. Now we'll move to the second equation of motion. Clear? Now using the same graph, we are going to derive the second equation of motion, that is S is equals to ut plus half at square. So how to calculate this? So first we'll discuss as the distance, as I need to define the distance. So distance traveled is equal to area of this O, A, B, G, C. So area enclosed in this trapezium gives us the distance traveled. So we'll take A, O, A, B, G and C, or you can directly write BC. Now, as we have discussed in the previous video also, that area of this trapezium can be written as area of this rectangle plus area of this triangle. So area of rectangle is OAGC, that is length into breadth, plus area of triangle AGB, that is half into base into height. So if I find the area of OAGC, it is length into breadth, so OA into AG और OC एक ही बात है, AG plus area of triangle AGB, so half into base is AG into height is GB. So summing up these two, we get the distance, as this is the area enclosed in this graph. So what is this OA? OA, I know it is initial velocity. What is this AG? AG is equals to time. This is the time, na? Time traveled by an object in this uniformly accelerated motion. What is this GB? AG ho gaya, OA ho gaya, GB. What is this GB? So we have discussed in previous first equation as GB is final velocity minus initial velocity. That means if I subtract this DO minus AO, we get GB. That means BC minus GC. So it is final minus initial velocity. And final minus initial velocity, we know that it is equal to AT. First equation of motion, V minus U is equals to AT. So putting all these values in this equation, we get S is equal to, this distance is S. S is equal to OA is U, AG is T, UT plus half of AG is T and GB is AT. So this comes out to be AT square. So we get S is equals to UT plus half AT square, and this is the second equation of motion that we have derived using this graphical method. Now with the same graph, we'll discuss the third equation of motion, and for third equation of motion, that is V square minus U square is equals to 2AS. So what I'll do, let me make a line, draw a line, and I'll explain the third equation of motion here only. So when I talk about V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, it means again we require distance, and we know that distance is equal to again the area of the whole graphical figure, that is O, A, B, G, C. What is this? This is area of this trapezium, that is the distance traveled. ये चीज हमने यहाँ पे भी ली थी. Now this is trapezium. We know that this is trapezium. What is trapezium? Trapezium is half of the sum of parallel lines. Parallel lines कौन सी हैं हमारे पास? OA and BC. OA plus BC multiply by this height. So we can find the area of trapezium by writing this formula of trapezium. Now we know that OA is equals to, this is OA, it is equal to U. BC is equal to, this whole is BC, so it is equal to V. And OC, OC is T. Okay, so we can get T is equals to V minus U upon A. From first equation of motion, can I write T as V minus U upon A? So let us that we know from first equation of motion. T is equals to V minus U upon A. So now we talk about this distance, that is S is equal to half of OA is U plus BC is V multiply by OC, that is T, and T I can write V minus U divided by A. So I get this as U plus V by 2 into V minus U by A. So V plus U and V minus U comes out to be V square minus U square divided by 2A is equals to S, and that gives us V square minus U square is equals to 2AS, and this is our third equation of motion that we have derived using this graphical method. So please go through it, write it by your own, keep doing practicing for this graphical method, and this is all about your first chapter motion. So if you like all these videos, please write in the comment section, and if you want some other chapters, you request in the comment section, and I'll try to help you out by uploading few more videos. And all the best for your exam, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.